Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Galaxy M15 5G Prime Edition. So let's unbox this Samsung new smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, let's say here it is the Galaxy branding M15 5G Prime. Then here it is Samsung, and at this side you will see the branding over here, and at this side you will see nothing. And this is 4 GB 128 GB, and it is a stone gray color. It has also many colors like stone gray, celestial blue and stone gray. So here at the back you will see some specification over there. So first let's just unbox this, and here it is the box. You will see some paperwork, and here it is the handset. And friends, here it is the handset. So let's just keep it aside and check what is in the box. Here it is nothing, and at this let's open it. Friends, you will see some paperwork over there, like here it is a regional lock guide, and here it is some quick start guide and a USB to type C charging cable. You can see that its quality is very good. And let's check what is inside. And here it is a SIM tool tray. So let's keep it inside. So friends, here it is the smartphone. Just first unwrap this, and here we go. You will see here it is the metal finish design. It is a gives a like metal finish look. You will see all back and the design is metal. That is look good. And talking about this back camera, it is a 50 megapixel of camera, and at front camera is 13 megapixel. The design is very good. It is glossy and shining gray. And talking about its ports is volume up and volume down button, power on off button, and at the back you will see a speaker over there, and here it is type C charging port, a microphone, and a 3.5 mm of microphone or headphone jack. And at this side you will see a SIM tray option, and at the top you will see one microphone is given. So just open this smartphone. It is a 4 GB 128 option. That is good at this price range. And its display 6.5 inches, immersive display, enhanced viewing experience, and it can the charging that can last up to 2 days. This is 6000 mAh of battery life. At this price range there is no other smartphone that this will beat it. And so let's open it. You can see the click, it's whole metallic. So let's open it. Friends, you can see there is no lag if you just play any game. You can check refresh rate in your settings also. Just go to search, and here it is the settings. Type here refresh rate, like this. Friends, you can see in the settings also. Here it is the settings, about phone. You will see model name and other details, and you will see here it is the One UI version, and the Android version is 14. So first let's check the camera, and here it is the camera. Just you have to, here it is the photo. I have taken some photo also. Friends, here it is the front camera photo. You will see the front camera photo is quite decent. The colors and the contrast is good. And here it is the back camera photo. You can see, you can, when you just zoom it at the full screen, there is no blur in the photo. It will you can see, you can, this is how you can zoom it. And let's check its quality. So first you have to open video. Here it is the FHD option. You can record a video in HD at 30 fps, that is good. And click on more. Here you can do more features, like you can capture pro mode, panorama mode, and food, night, macro, slow motion, and hyperlapse also. These are lots of options also. Let's check the video quality. So first you have to open your YouTube, then click on search, and here you have to write video 4K. I show you the quality details also. You can see, friends, and let's see its quality. Click on quality, advanced. Here you can see the video in 1440 pixel at 60 fps. That is good part of this smartphone. And you will see, I show you the speaker test also. Just right here, musics.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. We'll go.
Friends, you can see its speaker is also very loud. That is good. The bass is very good. And you can just, in other setting I will show you. Go to settings, about phone, and here are the details: model name, serials, software information. You can see, and you can see battery level is capacity is 6000 mAh of battery life. And you can purchase it from the description. I have given the link in the description. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.